After 124 years, the VO SOT Dam, located in downtown Lawrence, is back in tip-top shape.
The city has renovated the dam to increase its stability. Repairs are now finished on the dam after nearly 5 months of work. The FERC engineering firm determined the dam was not up to code after inspection, so the City of Lawrence took on the $2.2 million project in order to repair it. Public Works Director Chuck Soules said the dam made for an interesting assignment.
No, it was an interesting project and something outside the box that we typically deal with the streets and stuff like that, but it's a different project, and we think the improvements that we've made have stabilized the dam so that we don't have to worry about it catastrophically failing.
Soules said that with the new repairs, the dam should be safe for another 100 years.